Okay, so good day from wherever you're watching from. So unlike other rabbit farmers who will just tell you about the pros on a rabbit farm, I have decided to tell you about some cons. So even this one I'm about telling you, it's one I'm not happy about, but we don't consider failure. Instead, we consider it a learning curve. So what I have here is rabbit kids that lost their mother, a chinchilla. But then I have this other highlight here who happened to have given birth almost the same period when the mother, the chinchilla, gave birth. So a week afterwards, she died. So today I'll be showing you how I actually nurtured them to this very stage. She's actually having her own kids, about 8 kids, and the chinchilla has these kids here, although I lost one also in the process. So what I do is to foster parents, and also that's for the parents I fostered. I gave brought in another rabbit who happens to be about just a month, but a month and I think 3 weeks, a month and 3 weeks, not up to 2 months. I brought the rabbit in, Silver Fox, and he's been the one actually, having keeping the children company. But for the mother, I use this mother to breastfeed the child. So this is how I actually, hold on to the mother. So I really do not allow, because this mother can attack these children even from that very early age, because she knew that they were not her child, so she tends to attack the children. So I hold the mother this way. See, look at, she's even trying to attack them, knowing that they are trying to suck from her breast. So I hold her this way and allow the children to suck off her. So what really happened was the mother of these rabbit kids, that's a doe, she actually had respiratory issues, and I gave her some injections, some treatment, and it normally it works, but I think the sickness has already gotten into her so much that she did not survive, right? Some antibiotics, and we use bitter leaf and scent leaf very well as antibiotics for them, and even pawpaw. But I think it has even really gotten into her, so she died. I opened her up, I saw mucus around her. It was really something very painful. So but I by the grace of God, I still have the children, living till now, surviving. And this is the method I've used. So there are a number of things that you do in your farm. Make sure you have at least 2 does giving birth almost the same time, right? Then you also have, for your buck, try to have about minimum of 2. I, for one, I have 3 buck before, but I look at them and I was like, oh, they are consuming much of my food, so I do away with 2. So it would be nice if you go back to such method. Even myself, I'll go back to such method, keeping a backup, always having a backup plan. Like, this is my backup plan, else I would have lost these kids. So I indulge you to put up backup plans in your farm. Keep your farm neat, right? Give them food, and of course water is based on their weight. You can give them unlimited water, no problem, but if you give unlimited water, you also watch out for how much they urinate, because it can actually tell if they are sick, having some kind of sickness. Water, the way they urinate, will let you know if you really are very watchful, right? So, but I think I missed on the symptoms for that very female one, and I lost it. So do subscribe on our channel, subscribe to our channel, and then be sure to hit the notification bell, so while we release, while we bring to you more insightful stories about